Hello guys, my name is Ravindra. In this video I will show you how to host web application on GitHub for free. There are three requirements for this tutorial to complete. First is that you should have the GitHub account ready, and second is that you should have the basic knowledge of Git, and third is that you should have the basic knowledge of web development like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's begin. Go to your GitHub account, create a new repository and name your repository anything. I will name it web hosting tutorial and create a readme file, then click on create repository. So we have created the repository. Now we will host web application here. Now click on setting. Now scroll down and here in this section GitHub pages, below the source, click on master branch. Now you will see that your site is ready to be published at this URL. So our website will be hosted on this URL. Having done this much, now let's return back to our repository. Now here we can see that these options have changes. There are new options here, environment. This is all taken care by the GitHub. We don't need to worry about that. Now it's time to upload our web application on GitHub. Go to this website codepen.io, create account here, and I will just upload a simple static website on this GitHub. So I will create a web application here. You can create a web application anywhere you like it. You can also write the CSS here and JavaScript here. I will just leave it all up to you. I will just create a simple web application here, simple HTML file. Now after you are completed with your application with your HTML, CSS and JavaScript, click on export, click on export zip. Now click on download zip. So we have downloaded our project here. Unzip the file. Now here you will see the four files: distribution, source, license and this readme file. Our index file is here in this source file. Click on this file. We can see that our application is working on this localhost. Now we have to upload it on GitHub. We don't need this Codepen now. Now it's time to clone the repository. Go to your terminal. Like I said, you should have the basic knowledge of GitHub. Clone the repository. Now from the file that we have downloaded previously, go to source and copy this index.html. Now go to our clone repository, which is this one here. Now paste it here. If you have other file like CSS file and JavaScript file, then you have to paste that file also here. Anything related to your application, you have to paste it here. And out of all files, there should be one file which is named index.html. Since I do not have any CSS or JavaScript file, I will just leave index.html file here. Now go to a terminal. Now we have to push our changes to the repository. So git add git commit web application file added. Now we will push it. Now go to a repository, refresh the page. Here we can say that our index.html file is present here. Now go to commits. Our commit is present here. If it shows you the green tick, that means we have successfully uploaded the file and GitHub has successfully rendered the uploaded web application. So our web application is successfully hosted on GitHub. Now let's try to visit our web application which is hosted on the GitHub. Click on setting. Remember the URL we have in the beginning. Click on it. So yeah, we have successfully uploaded our web application on GitHub and it is hosted on the GitHub. That's how we upload web application on GitHub, and this web application will be hosted for lifetime. You can upload your portfolio or anything that you would like to be hosted on the GitHub for free. That's all in this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. All the best, keep coding.